The drone project has been going on. We have done already more than 150 flights starting from month of October already, and which are going continuously. Until recently, we had to make some changes in terms of the number of locations which are going to drop. So we started with 4 locations. We have already expanded to 11. We are trying to expand it to 25 drop locations from Jengjal subdivision hospital where the drone station is located. But in order to cover the entire state, we are looking at 3 to 4 drone stations. That's a future expansion plan. Somewhere in between West Khasi Hills 1 and somewhere here in East Khasi Hills region 1. So we can have almost the entire state covered in terms of delivering of drugs and essential medicines to the emergency drugs and essential medicines, serums and etc. to the health facilities.
So as of now, how successful has been this project, and how many kgs of medicines you've delivered, sir?
So we have already crossed somewhere around more than 650 to 700 kgs of medicines, which has been this one-way delivery, and we have picked up samples, TB samples, other blood samples, etc. of more close to 7 kgs. Which has been brought back to the facility for diagnostics. So, as you know, still we are the only drone station in the entire country which is doing on a regular basis. So, in order to tell the exact metrics in terms of how much things it has saved and etc., it will take some more time. We have to observe the metrics over a period of time. And we are, in terms of that data and etc., we are the only state which has that kind of data also. So how many can be done, how efficient it can be done, how faster it can be moved, and etc. So we need to wait for some more maybe 6 more months to see the exact metrics, how much cost effective it is, how much time effective it is to see that. It is an experiment, but as of now the results are very encouraging. So as per the liberalized drone rules given by Government of India, there are 3 zones in terms of drone delivery. One is the red zone, other is the yellow zone, and another is the green zone. In green zone, you are free to fly drones without any problem, whether any permissions and etc. You just, if your drones are certified, you are able to fly. Yellow zone, some permission has to be taken. Red zones are a no-fly zone technically, but because Meghalaya has a lot of international boundaries, we have a lot of red zones in the state. Very substantial red zones are there. So we are trying to kind of negotiate with, trying to take it up with Government of India in terms of how we can get these permissions. So that is still not has been taken up, but we will take it up quickly when we have to fight towards, particularly in South Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, which from the existing drone station, and with the future drone stations, even the bordering West Khasi Hills and East Khasi Hills and part of Jengjal Hills, there are issues in terms of as of now we can't deliver because of this red zone